Adjusting the valve, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase that you might come across in both everyday and technical English. Adjusting the valve. We'll explore what it means, where you can hear it, and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned to boost your English vocabulary and understanding. The phrase, adjusting the valve, literally refers to the process of modifying or regulating the flow of a fluid, like water or gas, or air through a system by manipulating a device known as a valve. A valve controls the passage of fluid or air through pipes and other channels. So, when you're adjusting it, you're essentially controlling how much, how fast, or in what manner the substance flows through. In a literal context, adjusting the valve is a phrase you might encounter in plumbing, engineering, automotive maintenance, or any field that involves fluid dynamics. For example, a mechanic might adjust the valves in a car's engine to ensure it runs smoothly, or a plumber might adjust a valve to fix a leaky faucet. Figuratively, adjusting the valve can be used to describe the act of making small tweaks or adjustments in various situations. This could involve adjusting your approach to a problem, your attitude in a situation, or even how you manage your time. It's about finding the right balance or setting to improve an outcome. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in both contexts. Literal. The technician is adjusting the valve on the water heater to increase the temperature. Figurative. After receiving feedback on my project, I'm adjusting the valve on my strategy to achieve better results. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, adjusting the valve. We hope this video has shed some light on how versatile the English language can be, illustrating both literal and figurative uses of phrases that stem from technical contexts. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new ways to express ideas and improve your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.